Based on the Volkswagen Crafter/MAN TGE and powered by advanced Euro 6AR engines and drivetrains, 3 chassis weight category 70 GVW 3.5 ton, 100 GVW 5 ton, and 110 GVW 5.5 ton, designed for farming and agriculture, mining support, service and repair, forestry, cargo transportation, emergency relief, leisure and tourism industries. TORSUS TERRASTORM Chassis is engineered to be the world's most capable and versatile for X4 truck, single or double cab, L3, 3,640 mm, or L4 wheelbase, 4,490 mm. Bare flat frame ready to carry cargo or further conversion.